Hi guys, welcome back to Hmong Baker. I'm so glad to be back. A lot has happened within the last year, but I'm so glad to be back to making cakes. I'm starting off here with my top tier. I'm using 6-inch rounds today, also with my buttercream frosting. And now I'm starting on my crumb coat. I'm doing a thin layer just to seal in all of my crumbs. Once I get the consistency that I want, I'm going to place this into the freezer and work on my bottom tier. Okay, so now I have my bottom tier. I decided to do a green today. This is just a mixture of green coloring along with a little black, blue, and yellow. This will be going back into the freezer while I take out the top tier. And this I'm going to be working with my regular buttercream. I don't have it colored. And this part I didn't show it in my videos, but I did use some hot water onto my spatula to make sure my buttercream was nice and smooth. And this is my first time stenciling, so I was a little bit nervous to try it out. My daughter recommended the regular buttercream onto the green. Again, I was a little bit nervous, but I wanted to make sure my cake was nice and cold before I started the stenciling. And honestly, to my surprise, it came out pretty good. And I already have dowels on the bottom tier of my cake just for support. And here I'm using a regular round tip just to do a border. And here is what my cake looks like. It's just something nice and simple that I wanted to try out today. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I made this little birthday cake with some cake stenciling. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much.